Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can install the iOS 18 on your iPhone. Now, don't take me wrong. When I'm making this video, for now, iOS 18 is not out yet. Still couple of days remaining in the iOS 18. But if you're watching this video after 10th of June or maybe on 10th of June, this is the right way to install the iOS 18 on your iPhone. So let's first talk about that when iOS 18 is going to become. So going into this in the calendar over here, 10th June is the day when the iOS 18 is going to be released by the Apple for different iPhones. We will talk about that it will for which iPhone it is going to be available. For now, leaks are saying that it will might be starting from the iPhone 10s, means that same devices that iOS 17 used to support. So it may be supporting all those devices, but that is still not final yet. Well, talk about how you can install this update is quite simple. So basically it is not a public update, it is a developer beta update. So to install a developer beta, you need to have a developer profile in your iPhone. So if you go to the settings, go to general and go to the software update over here and wait for a while. If you see the beta updates option over here, you are good to go. But if you don't see any option like this one, you have to sign up for the Apple beta program. So how you can sign up is quite simple. You need to go to Safari. You need to go to this website beta.apple.com, and over here by doing this, go and sign up over here. You have to use your Apple ID to sign up over here. Once you sign up, just restart your iPhone. Signing up steps are quite very simple. I have already signed up, so I cannot show you that again, but it is quite very simple. After that, go to settings, go to general software update, and after signing up over there and restarting, you will finally see the beta update option over here. Now what you need to do is go over here. For now it is showing iOS 17 developer beta, but after or maybe on 10th of June, iOS 18 developer beta option will be available over here most probably. If anything happens, I will let you know in the new video, but this is going to be a simple process. You need to select that beta. For example, you need to select the iOS 18 developer beta, just like I did for the iOS 17. For now, go back and you will see the update of the iOS 18. Now this is a simple step going to be that how you can install the iOS 18 on your iPhone. Again, for now iOS 18 is not available. It is going to become on 10th of June. On this, like 4 to 5 days remaining for the iOS 18. I am very excited and I hope you are also excited. Also let me know what features you are expected to see in the iOS 18 in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care, peace out.